Good evening, Doc. Good evening, classmates. Today, my report is about construction financing. Let's go. Construction financing is crucial in real estate development, providing the necessary capital to build projects. This presentation will explore various financing options, including construction loans, bridge loans, and equity financing, while discussing key considerations and strategies for successful project funding and risk management. Types of construction financing. Construction financing can be categorized into short-term and long-term options. Short-term financing includes construction loans and bridge loans, which cater to immediate capital needs. Long-term financing typically involves permanent loans or mortgages, ensuring that developers have a stable funding source once projects are completed. Construction loans are short-term loans specifically designed to finance the building process, generally lasting between 6 to 18 months. These loans require interest-only payments during construction and convert to permanent loans upon the project completion, offering the developers necessary flexibility to manage cash flow effectively. Bridge loans provide temporary financing solutions, enabling developers to secure funding quickly between projects, ideal for urgent capital needs. Bridge loans typically come with higher interest rates. They require careful financing planning, ensuring that the developer can transition to long-term financing after the project completion. Permanent financing is the long-term funding acquired once construction is completed. This type of financing replaces construction loans and provides stable mortgage terms, enabling developers to manage ongoing operational costs while generating rental income. It is crucial for long-term financial stability in real estate. Equity financing involves raising funds by selling ownership stakes in a project to private investors or real estate investors trust REITs. While this method reduces reliance on debt and mitigates risk, it may also dilute ownership and profits, requiring careful consideration from developers. Debt financing encompasses loans obtained from banks, private lenders, or credit unions to fund real estate projects. This financing method allows developers to leverage capital while maintaining ownership. However, it typically involves interest payments, increasing financial obligations, and potential risk if market conditions shift. Several factors influence financing decisions in construction, including prevailing market conditions, project size, the developer's experience, and the project's location. Understanding these factors helps developers choose suitable financing options that align with their goals while effectively managing associated risks and challenges. Effective risk management is essential in construction financing. To safeguard investments, developers should identify potential risks such as cost overruns or delays and implement strategies like contingency budgets and insurance coverage. This proactive approach enhances project success and minimizes financial exposure throughout the construction process. A successful real estate project that utilized a blend of construction and permanent financing. Key strategies included thorough market analysis, strong lender relationships, and effective project management, resulting in timely completion, profitable operations, and valuable insights for future developments. In conclusion, understanding construction financing options is vital for successful real estate development. By strategically leveraging both short-term and long-term financing methods, developers can effectively manage projects, mitigate risk, and achieve successful outcomes in a competitive market while ensuring financial stability. Thank you for listening, and here are my references in this report.